Hey all, welcome back to my channel. And today I will discuss about soft starter technology. Previously I have made a video on that, but it's a long time back. So many requests came from discussing and disclosing about its technology, its working procedures. So if you are new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe. I found that most of my viewers are not subscribers of my channel, so kindly do that. Welcome you all. This presentation is basically about starting off an induction motor by using soft starter to provide smoother operation. Hope you all will understand that. To be presented in this video, what is a soft starter, why we need starters, problem arising on other starter, and what will be the loop, working principle, basic unique features comparing to others, why upgrade to soft starter when you have a decent DOL or starter starter in your home, and application and disadvantage. What is a soft starter first of all? It's a solid state device first of all to ramp up the voltage and torque during starting of an induction motor. So the technology is different. Here starting and running is done by ramping up the voltage and current. It is increasing gradually. The ramp up reduces mechanical and electrical stress on the motor and shaft while extending the lifespan of the system. Coming to basic, why we need a starter. For induction motor, the starting torque is proportional to the current square. So again, current is proportional to V, voltage. So you can say that torque is proportional to V square. So developed torque is extremely high. So current will be enough to damage the motor. To avoid that, reduced voltage starting is required. And starter is doing that job. But the problem arising on DOL starter, meaning direct online starter and starting the starter, is the heavy current surge on supply can cause large voltage drop. Next thing is power surge. While starting, it requires for starting the starter, it requires a star connection while starting. Then going to running, it requires delta. So huge change of voltage and current, a power surge, increased line losses due to that, risk of exceeding maximum demand. Again, burning of motor contacts, it happens mostly in DOL and star delta, the burning of motor contacts, and can cause high current flow throughout the line. And most important, it requires a regular maintenance for the motor contactors. To reduce that, soft starter is here. By adjusting the voltage during starting and the current drawn by motor and the torque produced by the motor can be reduced and controlled here. Here you can see in the video, in the GIF image here, a thyristor controller is given. It is ramping up the voltage slowly. So RPM is increasing while voltage and current is getting increased in a regular manner. How does it look like? It's not a very bulky device. It's a very small device and it looks very nice. This product is from ABB. And other companies are there like Siemens, Allen Bradley, and Bosch. And how does it work? Now, an algorithm is controlling 3 pairs of back-to-back ACR thyristor are used to start and stop the motor. The back-to-back orientation of ACR is allowing the AC voltage to be controlled by changing the firing angle of half cycle. So the firing angle you can see from here. Every half cycle the firing angle is increasing. For the first half cycle firing angle is that. The second half cycle firing angle increases a bit and slowly it is increasing. And the ACR connection, thyristor control, back-to-back thyristor, there are 6 back-to-back thyristor is there. It is controlling the firing angle. Now, by using 6 ACR in back-to-back configuration, the soft starter is able to regulate the voltage applied to the motor during starting from 0 volt to the line voltage. The feedback from the motor is a logic circuit used to control the ACR firing stabilization of motor acceleration. Frequency does not change as in VFD. So in variable frequency drive, you have heard that VFD is working on basis of the changing the frequency of the motor or supply line. Here the frequency is not changing. The changing thing is the only change that is continuously upgrading. It is the firing angle. Basic and unique feature: soft start, soft stop. The technology I discussed now, it is soft starting and soft stopping. The current control ramp, echo and encoder feedback, you can get it from that, and dual ledger start stop characteristics for varying loads. It's a very unique feature here. Soft starting and soft stopping. First of all, here you can see the voltage at very beginning it is 50%, and then it is gradually increasing from 1 to 30 seconds. It is a given time is there. 50% rated voltage is given, initial voltage, and then ramping up time with a proper time basis. And again with soft stopping, the same thing happens. Voltage from rated voltage to zero voltage, it is ramping up, ramping down by the controller, and gradually reducing the voltage to the motor, thus reducing the torque and current. As a consequence, the motor speed will fade off. Adjustable stopping time for a standard soft starter is 1 to 30 seconds. Current limiting feature, you can see for other starters, the current limiting is like that. So starting with a huge current, starting a very small current, then current is increasing like that manner. But here in soft starter, the current increases in with a very gradual manner. So there is no surge observed. Maximum current of 200 to 400% of FLC rotor current. Adjustable ramp time is 1 to 30 seconds, can be extended with the requirement. The mode of soft starting is used when it becomes necessary to limit the maximum starting current due to long start times or to protect the motor. Comparison with others. Here is a very brief comparison given for DOL, Star Delta, and our soft starter. You can see it is a direct online starter starting with a very huge amount. For Star Delta, there is a star connection given, and then a switching of Delta. What happens with soft starter is starting with a very rated one, and then it is increasing gradually. So there is no huge load for electrical side or mechanical side observed. Same thing happens with torque control feature. Same thing you can say it is a direct online starter having this amount of fluctuation of torque, while soft starter is giving the very decent manner of torque. That orange line is the soft starter one. Now for again here is a current starter type comparison, while direct start delta, direct online, Y delta, start and soft starter. So it's a very Y delta one, it is a direct online, and it is the soft starter one. So same thing, same feature. While soft starter is given a very decent amount and regulated one while starting and stopping. Now why upgrade to soft starters? Better energy management, definitely. No surge is observed here, right? So limit in rush current, optimize the size of the transformers, generators, switchgear, meet power company requirements, rebate programs, manage control under power distribution limitation, energy cost reduction with peak demand charges. Solid state delivers greater flexibility. It is a very keen feature of a solid state device. It is providing greater flexibility in comparison to bulky electrical devices. Reduced wiring compared to the other starters. Maintenance free switching. There is no huge amount of maintenance required because it is mostly a electronic circuit. Ease of handling. Avoid of line voltage fluctuation during startup. Application. That's the main part. From pin to elephant, you can use it anywhere. For a 2 horsepower motor to a 400 horsepower motor, you can use it anywhere. For pumps, industrial fans, compressor, conveyor belt, vacuum pump, centrifugal pump, fan, exhausters, blowers. For mines, they also use a blower. It's a pretty huge amount of fan which extracts the inner poisonous gas from the mine. That thing also can be used. Mixers. Mixer is a very small amount, small horsepower motor needed, but you can use it that part also. Axial blowers, propeller fans. Yes, propeller fans definitely. Escalators, bottling lines, conveyors, axial fans for low initial and no load. You can also use in cranes. Selection and range. Low voltage soft starter starting from 200 volts to 575 or 600 amount of volts. Medium voltage 1 kV to 13 kV. Rating is given. I preferably using ABB. Selection and range for standard duty soft starter is 400% motor FLA, 300% on motor FLA for 30 seconds. Medium duty soft starter, similar thing, and for high duty. So you can use for three different ranges for standard duty, medium duty, and high duty. Disadvantage. Now comes the flaw. Operating speed motor is fixed, so you have to start with a given operating speed and then you have to ramp up. Unlike VFD, in VFD the frequency is guiding. Here frequency is fixed, but operating voltage is also operating speed also is fixed. You can't increase it more than you want. Uh, Speed regulation is not possible, used only for starting and stopping and protection. So speed regulation is not much observed in that software. So you can regulate the speed. Acceleration and deceleration time more depends on the load. So there is no side of voltage and current. Any queries you can ask in the feedback zone, in the comments. Thank you.